In the realm of AI, developers and tech users stand at the forefront, transforming these abstract concepts into tangible solutions. These professionals are the architects of the AI-driven future, creating these systems and tools that redefine industries. But how do they wield AI? Let's take a closer look. Developers utilize platforms like OpenAI, Microsoft Azure AI, and Google's suite of AI tools. They use them to craft solutions. Whether it's integrating AI into cloud infrastructure, or embedding AI-driven functionalities into software, or fortifying security protocols using AI, these professionals are pushing the boundaries every single day. Consider the huge ecosystem of tools at their disposal. The cloud platform alone, it offers the scalable infrastructure to deploy AI models. Programming languages like Python and Java and R serves as the bedrock for creating these models. And the burgeoning field of AI and security is empowering firms to preempt threats, ensuring robustness and resilience. So, what kind of firms are at the helm of this AI revolution? And the truth is, it's a spectrum. From tech giants harnessing AI to offer these groundbreaking products, to startups leveraging AI for these niche solutions. The landscape, it's diverse. Financial institutions, they're using AI for fraud detection. Healthcare entities for predictive diagnostics. And e-commerce platforms for personalized user experiences. But like with any transformative technology, there's a learning curve. Developers and technical users, while they are very good at what they do, they often seek guidance to navigate this ever-evolving AI landscape. They need training that is both comprehensive and tailored, offering insights without being overwhelming. And that is precisely where our offerings shine. Our solutions cater to the tech-savvy audience, bridging gaps and illuminating nuances. Whether it's understanding a new AI tool, or strategizing its implementation, or exploring use cases, our courseware is designed to empower. So in conclusion, for developers and tech users, AI isn't just another tool. It's the future of their craft. And to harness it effectively, knowledge is key. So partner with us. Offer them the insights they seek, and together, let's shape this AI-centric future of technology. Until the next time.
So we've just scratched the surface, and if you're ready to dive deeper, head on over to triveratech.com to see our full course catalog. Got burning questions or topics you'd like to see us cover? Share them in the comments. We are all ears. Oh, and speaking of not missing out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you've enjoyed our content, and ring that bell to be updated when we post our next video. The AI-powered future is right around the corner, and Trivera Tech is here to help guide you through it. Until next time.